So today we are going to discuss about one more important topic, that is how to do session management using hidden form field. Okay, in our last session we have discussed about how to do session management using the cookies. So we are creating the cookies object, and we are setting the whatever the cookies we want to add, we are adding, and then we are setting that cookies into the response, right? And the maximum age, like how much duration the cookies should stay. But in the today's session, we are going to work on hidden form field. Here, instead of cookies, we are going to use the hidden form field. The name itself indicates that there is a field which is hidden. Okay, and that is a form. In the form, inside a form, we are going to submit one hidden field. Okay, so every time whenever the user requests to maintain the session, there will be one form. Inside the form, we will submit one hidden text field that will be maintain the session. Okay, so here the headache is like every time we need to submit the one more extra form. Okay, so I have created the session management using hidden form field, the structure I have created, the module. So here what I'm going to write here is, like, I will create one form name user hidden form field. Okay, anything. Okay, hidden form field, then uh, method is post, and action is equal to action is user. Okay, this is the form, and inside the form, only simple to demonstrate, I will take only username. Okay, and input type is text, and name is username as usual. Okay, and after that what I'll do, br, and one more br. Okay, then input type submit, and value is submit. Okay, so here we'll do that. The form this one is user one. Once we start the server, this form will be loaded, and user will input the username. Okay, so that will go to the servlet whose URL is /user. Okay, so here I'm going to write one servlet, that is user servlet. Okay, that is user servlet, that is user extends http servlet. Okay, and here what I'm going to do here is uh, alt, alt insert. Okay, override the method. Which method I want to do? Method we have taken as post. So response dot set content type, this is text/html. Okay, this is the content type, and print writer is equals to response dot get writer. Okay, the object we have got, and here what I am going to do, @web servlet. Okay, annotation I am going to use, and what is the URL? URL is /user. Created the response object, and here string username is equal to request dot get parameter. Okay, username. Okay, that username we have written, and we are going to print. Okay, so we got the username, and we want to print that username. What is the username? Println, then this username submitted username. What is the username? Is username. Okay, that's fine. I have printed. Then what I'm going to do here is using hidden form field to maintain session. Okay, so here we are going to use the form field. Okay, then writer dot println, inside that writer dot println, that form action form action is equals to what is the URL? URL is nothing but here we will pass single quote. Okay, that hidden form. Okay, this should be the URL, and here the method is equals to get. Okay, method is get. This is the form declaration we have given. Okay, then after the form we have written, then what is that? Then print ln inside that what is the input. This is the input. This should be the and inside this we'll write our input tag input, and this will work or not, I'll check. I'm not sure, but we'll quote it as single quote input type that is hidden. We'll use hidden this one, and here the name is itself is username, and value is what is this? Value is what is that? We got username. Okay, the value is this one. This is the hidden form field. The input type is hidden and name is username. What is that name? Username, and value is whatever the user submitted, that username. Okay, but in case of cookie, we are creating the cookie object and we are setting that, but here we are using the hidden form field. Okay, once we wrote that, then writer dot println, then submit we need to do. Okay, submit input type is equals to submit input type equal to, okay, submit input type equal to submit, and value equals to submit. Okay, this is the things we should write, and end double quote. Okay, that we have written. Then final writer dot println, then we should close the form tag. Okay, we have closed that, and at the end writer dot sorry, writer dot close. Okay, we should write this one. Okay, actually the thing is that whenever we are writing this kind of statements, we should keep inside try block. Actually, try block, inside that catch exception e, and once that exception is there, what will write? E dot uh, print stack trace. Okay, we should write in this way only, actually try catch block, but to make it simple we are writing directly the code throughout our application, but here we have written our try catch. Okay, so this will be hidden form. This will be hidden form. Once this user submits the username, then once it is this username and the hidden form will call the hidden form URL that will map to another servlet named at hidden servlet. Okay, hidden servlet, I have named it hidden servlet, and which will extends from http servlet. Okay, and @web servlet, what is that value is slash hidden form. Okay, and inside that alt insert override methods, and here we will go write do get method, but there, why? Because we have specified here get method name is get, so hidden form is should be get, and response dot set content type text slash html, and then print writer is equals to response dot get writer, then string user is equals to request dot get parameter. What is that? Username. The cookie, sorry, the hidden form field is username. So you will get from the param request, we will get the username. That will store in the inside the user. Okay. So writer dot println user hidden form field name is what is that? User. Okay, so whatever the hidden form field sent by the user from the user servlet, that we are going to receive. Okay, in this way we are going to maintain the session. Okay, writer dot close. Just to check, I have printed this one. Okay, so I think everything is completed. Now let me deploy this application. Okay, deploy this application. What is that? Session management using hidden form field. Apply, then run. Okay, we can also make it try catch, but here I'm only written I have written simply without using try catch. But in the user servlet I have included try catch, but whenever you are implementing real time, but you can make sure of try catch. Okay. Okay, so let me form field session management using hidden form field. So I will write the username is John, who is trying to submit. On clicking submit, submitted username is John. We'll get from here username submitted for username is John. Then now this form we have not written any form, but inside this is hidden form. Hidden form. This will call the this will be a form. Inside that one hidden form field with form field is there. It is not visible. Okay, here it is not hidden form field is there, but that is not visible. Since 2 so gap we can see two gap is there, that is hidden, and this is the submit button. Once we submit, then it will go to the hidden servlet. Okay, here we are printing the hidden form field name. Okay, so if I click, the submitted username change to hidden form field name. Okay, 404 why hidden form field name user is hidden form method is get form action hidden form method equals to get input type hidden name equals to input type here name equal value equal to username. We are getting this issue. The field action form field get some issue was there. Okay, now the issue is resolved. Let me restart this one. Some issue was there, like hidden form username get some colon was mistaken. It is written. Okay, fine. So let me restart the server. So let me try to rerun this hidden form field now. This time Aldrin. Okay, so username is Aldrin. I will try to submit. So submitted username is Aldrin. Then two gaps. Then if I submit, then hidden form field name is Aldrin. So we are getting the same user which we have submitted in user dot while submitting the form. Okay, that is coming to here user servlet. From the user servlet, it is coming to the hidden servlet. Okay, hidden servlet by one hidden field. Okay, so this is how we can make use of the hidden form field to maintain the session. So but instead of this one, what we are going, the only difference is that we are using one more form to every time we are using one more form submit. Okay, for the one more form which we are submitting every time. Okay, that is the headache. Only text field we can pass as the hidden form field. Okay, that is the only difference between the cookie and this one. Okay, and another two approach is there to, how to work with the session management, that is HTTP session and URL redirecting, that we will see in the next class. So I hope hidden form field also clear to everyone. Okay, so we'll meet in the next session with the new topic. Okay, till then, thank you.